This is an alarm clock version of everyone's favorite Pop-Tart cat, and if you're not in the know of all the internet memes out there, this is based off of the Nyan Cat, which is basically just an 8-bit cat with a Pop-Tart body for its head and flies around space to a very catchy but really annoying tune that's made a lot more pleasant in this version. You can look that up on YouTube yourself. Now, as I mentioned before, this is a alarm clock, quite a basic one at that. There's a top button here that will show you the current time, which is 12 minutes past midnight. And on the side here is a rotary encoder, and if you press that in, it will take you to the settings menu, which is indicated by these indicators here. So currently it's set on set time, so we could do that right now. To go into that setting, all you have to do is press in the rotary encoder and it will prompt you for the minutes. So let's say it's going to be 15 past, say, 2 in the morning. Click it to register and it'll take you back to the settings menu. And here, this is where you can enable or disable the time. So currently it's enabled, and I can just click that in to disable it, or if I want to enable it again, I can click it in and it will ask me what I want for an alarm time. So let's say 3 minutes at 6 o'clock. And bam, it's set. And to disable it, all I have to do is click it in, and there we go. The alarm is disabled. And the last one is to exit. So this clock uses the RTC module of the PIC18F47J53. If I open that up in here, there's the micro there. It's got 3 LEDs that flash around when the alarm is currently playing. And over here is the VS1053B chip. And that's what actually creates the music. And it's the same chip used in the SparkFun Instrument Music Shield, if you're familiar with that. But other than that, it's quite a basic design. More details about the build can be found in the link below. And that's all I have to share for the Nyan clock, as I like to call it. Thanks for watching. Now, I just realized that I had set the time, but I didn't actually show that the clock had fully registered it, or actually prove that it registered it. So let's check the time here right now. I actually just unplugged the clock and plugged it back in, so it's reset at 0. So let's go back into the settings, set the, oops, there we go, and say it's 52 minutes past 4 in the afternoon. Sounds good. Let's exit out of there. And just to prove that it has been registered, let's check the time. 16:52. Perfect.